Cars have arrived at a farm. Look, Papa, fresh vegetables. Carrots. Tomatoes. Eggplants. Pumpkin. Oh, look, watermelons. Papa, I want a watermelon. Why not? Do you also want to visit the farm? Sure, let's check out other things in this farm. Look, some barrels and crates. Papa, look, a windmill. Oh, it's a big windmill. Let's check out the crops being grown on this farm. Let's go. Papa. Look, it's pumpkin vegetable bed. Wow, nice. What is being grown on your right side? These are red chilies. Let's move to next beds. Carrots and tomatoes. Corn and watermelon. Wheat and sugar cane. Sunflower and eggplants.